Now my absolute favorite part about in between harvests is that's the time for innovation. It's also the time for super duper cleanup, and that's what I still got to do next. I just pulled all of my plants, but looks like we got our drip systems in place. I'm going to change out the diaphragm so I can get about 10 liters per minute out of them, and get ready for it. Kazow! 315 watts of light emitting ceramic. I'm talking about the good stuff. And just to do a little bit better, you know, we wanted to supplement with pretty low quality LED. So that's one of the upgrades that's going to be coming. Don't worry about the water cooler for the reservoir. It's got to be totally cleaned out. Every 3 months is about what it takes. So you can see the 4500K light shine, and it's ready for some plants. The plants want the light, they want it. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna have more videos to come about once a week. And you know, hey, thanks for subscribing to Grow-Nanny.